Chat GPT is a great feature for making illustrations. Here, for example, I've typed in create a black and white hand-drawn arrow. That looks really good. The problem with Chat GPT, or the limitation rather, you can really only create about 4 or 5 images per day on Chat GPT, and then you get this message that says you've reached your daily limit. But there's actually a pretty quick workaround where you can create many more images, especially if your illustrations are simple like this. So instead of saying create a black and white hand-drawn arrow, I'm going to create a new chat and I'm going to type in create a flash sheet of hand-drawn black arrows, white background. By using the term flash sheet, ChatGPT will create an entire page of similar designs. And just like that, my one image from ChatGPT now has over 20 different arrows. This can be useful if you're selling bundles on Etsy, if you're creating vectors or different designs. The same is true for Microsoft Copilot. Here I've typed in create a flash sheet of dog face doodles, white background. And here we can see we get one image that's really 16 images all at once. So I hope you found that helpful. Use the word flash sheet when you're using Copilot or ChatGPT, and you might greatly increase your output. Here's another video where you can have some fun using artificial intelligence.